Hi friends! For our writing center today, we're going to make our socks to go on our fox. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is trace out 2 socks. So I'm going to trace around the tracer, and I'm using a piece of purple paper. I'm going to make my socks purple. Okay, so I'm tracing around on both of them. So I'm going to cut out 2. He has on 2 socks. All right, then I'm going to cut out my socks. I'm going to cut my paper a little bit to make it easier. So I'm going to cut on my traced line. I'm going to cut out my 2 socks. All right, 1, and 2. All right, friends, so now I have my 2 socks cut out. And I'm going to get my puppet from yesterday. And I'm going to glue 1 sock and the other. So I'm going to make them go 2 different ways, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. Okay, and then same thing over here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue. Oops, sorry, friends, I realized I had it pulled down. A little bit of glue, and I'm going to glue his other sock on. Okay, now on my socks, I'm going to write some rhyming words. So the first word I'm going to write is fox. 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 Now, on my other sock, I'm going to write a word that rhymes with fox. I'm going to write the word box. 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 So I have fox, box. That rhymes. Now, friends, I'm also going to add a little detail to my sock. Okay, so I'm going to draw some lines on my socks. Okay, when you are all done, if you want, you can try to think of some other words that rhyme with fox, box, or do your rhymers. Think of any rhyming pair you want and do rhymers. All right, my friends, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.